This guide shows how to configure the ServiceNow integration in the Ostorlab platform, including authentication and synchronization settings. Click here to open the main menu in the Ostorlab platform where you can access various features and settings. Click Library to navigate to the section containing integrations. Click Integrations to view and manage available integrations within Ostorlab. Click here to open the ServiceNow integration interface. Click Configuration to access the settings for managing integrations. Click Add Integration to start creating a new integration. Enter the ServiceNow instance URL. Choose your authentication method. Here we are choosing Basic Auth. Enter the username to the ServiceNow account that will be used for authentication. Enter the password to the ServiceNow account password used for authentication. Use the toggle to enable or disable the ServiceNow integration. Click OAuth 2.0 to choose OAuth 2.0 as the authentication method for the integration. Enter client ID. Enter client secret. Click Create to save the integration. Click here to test the connection with your ServiceNow instance. Click Close to exit the test results. Click here to access the settings for the ServiceNow integration. Click Connection Settings to configure or update how Ostorlab connects to ServiceNow. Click Sync Configurations to manage how tickets are synchronized with ServiceNow. Click Add Sync Configuration to create a new synchronization rule. Enter the ServiceNow table name. Enter the assignment group if required. Enter the caller ID if required. Click here to activate or deactivate automatic incident creation. Click here to enable or disable synchronization from ServiceNow to Ostorlab. Click here to enable or disable synchronization from Ostorlab to ServiceNow. Click here to add new field mapping. Select the ServiceNow field you want to map to an Ostorlab field. Select the Ostorlab ticket field. Click Test Synchronization to verify that the sync is working correctly. Click Create to save the synchronization configuration. Click here to manage or modify the synchronization settings. Click Delete to remove the synchronization configuration if no longer needed. You have successfully configured a ServiceNow integration within the Ostorlab platform, including authentication and synchronization settings. Next, you can explore advanced integration features or monitor synchronization status for ongoing data updates.